Welcome everyone. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. I hope you had a really good year. I hope 2018 was good to you. I look forward to 2019. I hope everybody has a safe year and a happy one. Um, so over the past holiday, I've been busting my butt doing several projects, trying to get some content up. And this one I really was pushing, and it was the office makeover. Um, this started from a plan that had actually was supposed to be just as easy as mounting some tabletops to the wall with some brackets, and found out there's plumbing in that wall, that back wall where that calendar is, and I couldn't do that. So that's 10 feet across, and I wanted a 10-foot desk, and so that ended up turning into a freestanding floating desk, if you will, where the center middle front leg is out. But anyway, I'll give you the rundown. It's 10 foot by I think 30 inches of 2 by 2 by 1/8 inch steel angle iron with two Lindman 59-inch tabletops in the black brown color, matching wall shelves, and it worked out great. Took 2 cars to get it here because we weren't going to run a trailer, so built it at Dad's, brought it back, and the gas and all that. So the budget was $500, so we came in at 443, I think, all said and done, no labor, and I'm really happy with it. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do now. If there's anything that you like that you want me to comment on or explain more, feel free to leave a comment. Look forward to more projects. So hope you guys enjoy it. See you.